So I just walked over here and guess what I saw? A worm coming out of the squash. I think there's one right there. Oh my goodness. And I was just so excited about my squash growing, but now those are wormholes. Oh my goodness, it's no good. And look how many are in there. Well, just the holes itself and the back part of it. So that one has been growing. It finally got big. And now can't do anything with it. I guess we'll put it in the compost. Now the one that's over here, I'm looking at it and oops, I just poked my little finger on that one. So I'm taking it that that's gonna be no good now, since I have just poked a little hole in it. So y'all let me know what you think, what I should be doing. I don't know, should I put something on it? I'm just so disappointed about that. I don't even know why that one, how the worm, I don't know. Maybe it was just inside of it. I don't know. Maybe because, who knows? If you know why and how that worm got in there, let me know. Please let me know. So this one's been growing, and at least I guess I know, what's going on, like the process, how long it takes for that to grow. So that's ruined. And I just poked a hole in this one. I don't know if I should just take it off that and open it up and see what's going on with it. Y'all let me know. Yeah, because I don't see another hole, and I just poked that one with my nail. So let me know what you think. I'm thinking about just going ahead and getting it off of that. And I watered the plants and everything yesterday. Let me know. Don't say it. Let's see what else is growing over here. I know with the weather changing, everything here is, the flowers are messing, changing colors because of the weather. The sun is out right now. I just can't believe that. Yesterday I saw where it looked like it was some type of seeds, but those are actually flowers that finally grew, or they popped out. So, and those are for the watermelon. I had different things over here. I guess I have to go back and look and see, but yeah, we have some things growing over here. That's some watermelon seeds that's in there that I just put in the ground. Yeah. And over here, more watermelon seeds over here. Yeah. So you can see that plant right there. And then over there is just the flowers popping out. They're on the end there, but I'm expecting something to happen all over because there's watermelon seeds everywhere in there. disappointed. Where did the worm come from? Did the worm just come out of the squash? I mean, is it just that it just, I don't know. I don't know what's crawling up those stems there because they're pretty, they're poking out the little sticky things. So if a worm was crawling up that, it would have never made it. So tell me, somebody let me know, how in the world did those holes get poked in there? Was it just that the squash was going bad and so the worms start coming out? And then the other side of it where it's, well, that's to be expected, the scratchy part of it. That part is to be expected because I have seen, vegetables, fruits and vegetables in the store like that. But wow, that's something. These were planted, the seeds were put in the ground around August the 22nd. So it would be almost 2 months and a few more days. So look at that little ant there. And just yesterday I was thinking about putting maybe making some vinegar water and just spraying the plants. But then I thought about, what do people do that have a large garden or field? What do they do? What do they do? I guess they just have to pick all the good ones, and the ones that have holes in it, they just, discard those. So, yep. Maybe I just let it just ride through and I know exactly, what I have. But this was a journey. So, anyone have any advice, what should happen, let me know. Let me know. I'm thinking about taking this off because it did say once they reach, I don't know, maybe between 3 to 5 pounds, that's when I guess they're ready to go. So y'all let me know. I kind of feel like because it's squash that has a little bit more to go. Let me see how scratchy this is. I put a little dent in it, but it's not like the other one where we know exactly that something been inside of it. I saw the worm in it and I just knocked it down in the ground. I just knocked it off of it because I didn't want it on my squash, even though I saw it coming out of it. We're gonna go ahead and let's look at the other side over here. Oh, the flowers are coming out. Look at that. Let me see if I can. Look at that. The beautiful flowers. Look at that. Yeah, this is the first time that I actually have seen them bloom like this. This is beautiful. And this one just looks like it has fallen over. But it does have the little flowers on it. I'm gonna have to do some more see some bumblebee yellow jacks. I'm gonna have to do some more research to find out what do I need to do to save my fruits, vegetables that I'm planting. I need to find out, what do I need to do? And this is the garlic right here. Wow. And then the other part is just for decoration. What I have over there. But yeah, those are finally blooming, and I don't even know if maybe, well, they actually did fine, because I was thinking that maybe because I planted the seeds in August, but I think, look at how they have grown. They look very, very healthy. It's all right. If anyone has any advice, let me know. Let me know about this, how the flowers are changing. Is that just because of the change of the weather? Let me know if with the pineapples, what should I expect with those, if you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to say hello to my babies. Y'all did good. Until next time, y'all stay tuned.